Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super momshies, today we are going to create glitters for crafting. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. Super momshies, these are the main materials that we're going to use, and I'm going to add also this foil to create a silver glitters, and these are the assorted wraps. So you have to check also the wraps that you want to use. So we will do also colorful glitters, and I want to use this as glitters silver gold. So the only thing you will do is just to cut it into small pieces. So this one, scissor, of course, your magic scissor. You have to use your best scissors so you can cut it properly as the way you want. So first we're going to create the silver glitters. So here we are. This is how I did my silver glitters. So this is now the silver glitters. So depends on you how you want it more. If you want more to powderize, it should be, you must be very patient to do it. Alright, super momshies, we're going to try our glitters if it works. So we'll just try it. There's no harm in trying. Alright, super momshies, we put already, if you have the small bottles, if you create your own glitters, you can put it in your cute containers if you have it, if you are planning to create your own. So this is mine that I made it. So I just try if it works. So this is how it looks like. At the end of this demo, we finally made something ornamental decoration. So before we will end up this video, I would like to say thank you very much to all the subscribers, and to non-subscribers and silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, babush.